Do you really think my mom has brain cancer? I think I want to talk to my Aunt Monica.
Dr. Quartermain is getting your mother prepped for the biopsy.
I can't even process what's going on right now.
Dr. Mays, can I speak with you in private for a moment?
I'm sorry, would you excuse me?
Yeah.
We'll talk later.
Doctor, I think you're misleading the patient's son.
Frankly, I don't care what you think, Monroe. This is my case.
Without a biopsy, you can't assume Miss Quartermain has cancer.
I've seen the MRI results. There are large lesions on her brain. Based on my decades of experience, it appears to be cancer.
Well, is it possible maybe you're using your decades of experience too much rather than your own eyes? I know you've seen the MRI, but have you really looked at it?
What the hell are you getting at, Monroe?
It's possible Miss Quartermain doesn't have cancer at all.
So you took it upon yourself to review my patient's MRI, and you detected that cancer isn't present.
I'm just saying there are other possibilities. Based on what Miss Quartermain said regarding her recent travel...
You had no right to look at that scan without the patient's consent. I know what I'm doing. I've worked in several of the leading cancer hospitals from Seattle to Rochester. My studies have been published in medical journals consistently for over 20 years. So yes, I know what cancer looks like.
Dr. Monroe, if it's not cancer, then what's wrong with my mom?
Dr. Monroe has other patients to tend to, and he was just leaving right now. Now get the hell out of here and don't come back.
Dr. Mays.
Not now.
Very well. I thought you should know Dylan Quartermain asked me to consult on his mother's case.
Is Dylan Quartermain the patient?
No.
Who is?
His mother.
Are you her doctor?
No.
Well, who is her doctor?
You are.
My God, you're right. I am her doctor, not you. Which begs the question, just who the hell do you think you are?
First and foremost, and above all else, I am a doctor. And if you cared about healing your patient, if that was your first priority, you wouldn't be shutting me down. I happen to have seen something like this before.
You've seen a brain tumor and neuropathology. Aren't you a pioneer?
Something that presented like a brain tumor and wasn't. I was in Mexico.
Mexico, really? What prestigious university?
I was in Mexico on a mission.
You guys want to get this patient to the OR, please? The team is waiting.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, did I ask for your input, Cooper? Go.
Dr. Mays, I understand that you are my mother's surgeon.
That is correct, son.
You can address me as Mr. Quartermain. Now, my mother is waiting in the OR for you to perform a brain biopsy. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna have a conversation here with Dr. Monroe. And I'm assuming that you're okay with that. And if you're not okay with that, I don't give a damn. Because I am a Quartermain, and I don't take orders from you or anyone where my mother's health is concerned. Take good care of my mom.
Dr. Monroe, just a friendly professional reminder. If you interfere in my case again, I'll have your head on a stick, and you'll be lucky if you practice medicine here, Mexico, or anywhere else.